Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn singular plurals. Yes, when you are talking about the person, animal, place, or things, use a singular noun. Yes, when you are talking about one person, animal, place, or things, use a singular noun. Yes, next plurals. Yes, when you are talking about two or more people, animals or things, use plural nouns. Yes, most nouns are made plural by adding s at the end. Yes, singular nouns examples ship, train, mouse, like this. The plurals ship, plural ships, trains. Yes, like this. Now here some nouns have irregular plurals. Irregular plurals forms. You will have to memorize the spelling for irregular plurals. Some irregular plurals just have to be memorized. Some irregular plurals just have to be remembered. There are no rules for this. There are no rules for these irregular nouns. So they must be memorized. They must be memorized. Look here given examples. Irregular plurals. Read the following statement. Focus on words underlined. Here about 40,000 people. About 40,000 people including men and women had gathered in the hockey stadium. Here underline one word. What is that word? Men. And here underline another word. Women. Men, women. Yes. Here men is singular word or a plural word? We don't know. Yes. Here men, men. So man. What is a man? Man? Yes, man is a singular word. Men is a plural word. Here woman. Spelling. Look here. WOMEN. MEN. Woman is a plural word. Look here. The words men and women are the plural forms of the words man and woman. It is clearly observed that plural forms men, women are formed with a change in the vowel letter. Man, woman. Look here. MEN men, WOMEN women. Here man. Here woman. Yes, this is a vowel letter. A is vowel. Here also A is vowel. Already you know vowels. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Letters are vowel letters. Here, these letters, vowel letters change into, make the plural forms. Make the plural form of some. Make the plural form of some A words by changing to E. By changing to E. A changing into E. It's like this. Another one here. So VO changing to EE in plural word. Yes. In singular word man. The singular word man, A is vowel. This man plural word is men. Yes. In plural word, A becomes E. A becomes E. Yes, man plural word is men. Woman. In this word, A is vowel letter here. This letter in plural word changing into E. Yes, A becomes he. A becomes E in plural word. Yes, understand? Next, observe some more examples. Singular plurals. Look here. Foot, feet. Here foot. FOOT, foot. Here underline VO. Yes, these VO are vowel letters. Vowel letters. O is vowel letter, na? Yes, vowel letters. This is a plural word of foot. Yes, here what noticed here? E. Instead of VO, here comes EE. So VO becomes EE in plural word. Yes, this is a singular word, this is a plural word. in plural word OO changed into EE. Understand? Next here woman, woman, plural word is woman. Yes, one person is there. Here more than one person. Here four members are here. So woman, plural word of the woman is woman, is a plural word. Yes, here also here one is there, more than one, two, that is feet. Foot is singular word, feet is plural word. Woman is singular word, woman is plural word. Singular word, plural word. Next goose. Here oo are vowels. Here in plural word oo letters becomes ee. Yes, oo change into ee. Yes, geese, goose, geese means plural word. Here one is there, one word is there. So goose is singular word. Here more than one, so you have to say geese. Yes, oo letters change into ee in plural word. Next mouse. ou also, ou letters also vowels. Singular word, in the singular word ou vowels. In the plural word mice, here ou becomes I. In plural word ou change into I. Yes, mouse is singular word, mice is plural word. More than one are here. Here one animal is there, here more than one animal. So we have to say mice is a plural word, mouse is a singular word. Mouse means one is here, mice means more than one. Mice, mouse is a singular word, mice is a plural word. You have to remember. Next, see the next page number 21. Activity 3. Look at the pictures and circle the appropriate word. Here given pictures and here given words, 2 words given there. You have to circle the correct word suitable this picture. Yes, goose, here given geese. Now which word is suitable for the picture? Here how many are there, how many animals are there? One is a one. So you have to circle goose or geese. You have to circle goose. Yes, goose is a singular word. So this is a single one is also singular. Goose is a singular. Geese is a plural word. Here only one is there. So you have to circle goose. Goose is a singular word. Next here men. Here which word is suitable for the picture? Yes, here more than one people here. Here how many persons are there? 5 persons are there. So more than one. So here what you have to circle, man or men? Yes, more than one people. So that is a plural word. In these two, what is a plural word? Man or men? Men is a plural word. So we have to circle this. Next here, look at this picture. Foot or feet. Which word suitable for the picture? Yes, foot is a singular word. Feet is a plural word. Say yes, which one correct? Feet. Here more than one. So we have to circle feet. Next picture, tooth, teeth. Yes, which word is suitable for the picture? You have to circle here. Tooth is a singular word, teeth is a plural word. Here given only one thing. So which one we have to circle correctly, that one. Next one, here woman, one. Here only one person is there. So which word suitable for the picture? You have to circle here. Woman is a singular, woman is a plural word. So here suitable word circle. Next here loves, lies. Yes, loves is a singular word. Lies is a plural word. Yes, which word suitable for the picture? You have to circle. Here more than one given. So which one you have to circle? So circle correctly. Next, foot, feet. Here also one given there. Only one. So which one you have to circle? Circle correctly that one. Next here one person given. Now which word suitable for the picture in these two words? Man, men. Man is a singular, men is a plural word. So circle correctly there. Tooth, tooth, teeth. In these two words, which word suitable for the picture? You circle here. Yes, tooth is a singular word, teeth is a plural word. Next, loves, lies. Which word is suitable for the picture? Circle here. And woman, woman. Here more than one person. More than one person. One person given here. You have to circle correctly. Next, goose, geese. Here more than one. Here also here given more than one. Which word suitable for the picture? Circle there. Goose is a singular, geese is a plural word. Understand? Next page number 22. Page number 22. Activity 4. Fill in the blanks with the plural words of the singular words given in the brackets. See first one. I brush my dash in the morning. In the brackets given answer. You have to write correct answer there. I brush my. Here you have to write the plural word of this word. Yes, I brush my. Here given tooth. Tooth is a plural word. Tooth is a plural word or singular word? Yes, tooth is a singular word. You have to write the plural word of this word. Understand? Next, cats like to chase. Cats like to chase dash mouse. In the bracket given mouse, you have to write the plural word of this word. Mouse plural word. Here write. Okay, my brother is 6 dash foot 3 inches tall. Here my brother is 6 dash 3 inches tall. Here foot is a singular word. You have to write the plural word here. You have to write the plural word of this foot word. We saw a flock of dash goose. We saw a flock of dash in the lake. Yes, here goose given. You have to write the plural word of the goose. The given singular word, you have to write plural word of goose. Goose plural word right here. Foot plural word right there. Mouse plural word right here. Tooth plural word right here. I brush my dash in the morning. Cats like to chase dash. My brother is 6 dash 3 inches tall. We saw a flock of dash in the lake. I brush my teeth. What do you have to write? I brush my teeth in the morning. So what you have to write here? Teeth. Teeth is a plural word of tooth. Understand? Yes, write correctly. Next activity 5. Find the circle. Find and circle the names. At least 6. Find and circle the names of the games and sports in the box. Write them in the space given. You have to find the names of games. Here find the names of games and sports. And you have to circle the names of games and sports. Write them in the space. Okay, you have to write the names of games and sports in these blanks. Okay, first you have to find the names of games and sports and circle. After circle those names right here in the space given. Understand? At least you have to write 6. Look here in the first column. You have to check one by one. Check column by column, row by row. Okay, understand? In the first columns there you can see this tennis. You have to circle this tennis. It's like this. You have to circle. You find the games and circle and write here in this space. Okay.